Hello scholars, how are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine at home. So scholars, today we will study chapter number 15 and the name of the chapter is Save the Earth. Scholars, do you know what makes the earth unique? Yes, due to the presence of water and air, there is life on the earth. It is full of life and beauty. It has forests, mountains, valleys, rivers, and oceans. Mother Nature has given us water, air, soil, plants, and animals. We use them and call them natural resources. Scholars, we should take care of these natural resources and should not waste or pollute them. So now, let us talk about these natural resources. So we'll start with water. All living things need water to live. It is a very precious resource. So, we must save it. Now, the question comes, how can you save water? Let me tell you. Do not waste or throw drinking water. If there is water left in your water bottle, pour it in a plant. Then, store water in a covered container. It will help to save water. Next is, do not make the water bodies dirty by throwing waste in rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. Do not leave the tap open while brushing your teeth or taking a bath. Collect rainwater in special underground tanks. Last but not the least, do not use a pipe to wash cars or water plants. Always use a bucket and a mug. So, these points will help us to save water. Now, let us talk about the second natural resource, that is air. Scholars, there is an envelope of air around the earth called atmosphere. All living beings need clean air to breathe and stay healthy. Air is all around us, but it becomes dirty due to many reasons. Some of the reasons are smoke coming out from factories, burning dry leaves, smoke from vehicles, and bursting crackers. How can you help in keeping the air clean? Let me tell you some of the very important ways how we can keep the air clean. Plant more trees. Plants help to keep the air clean. Walk short distances or ride a bicycle instead of going by a car. Go to school by school bus or carpool. Do not burn leaves or garbage. It produces smoke which is harmful for us. Dry leaves and garbage can be used to make manure, which is food for plants. Okay, let's talk about the third natural resource, that is soil. Soil covers the earth. It is a thin layer which supports plant growth. It is as precious as air and water. Healthy soil is important for us. Scholars, there are various ways through which we make soil dirty. Some of them are by throwing garbage, by adding chemicals, and by dumping waste from industries. We make our soil dirty. Now, how can we protect soil? Healthy soil can be maintained by use of manure, proper disposal of waste, and by keeping our surroundings clean. In this way, we can protect soil. Now, let us talk about one last natural resource, that is plants and animals. Plants and animals are very useful to us. They are an important part of our environment. Man can live only if both plants and animals are saved. So, how can we protect them? Let me tell you. We should save forest for protecting both plants and animals. Trees are cut to make papers, so do not waste paper. Plant as many trees as possible. And be kind to animals and take care of your pet animals. So, these were some of the ways how we can protect plants and animals. Here we come to the end of chapter number 15. Now it's time to do a quick recap of what we have studied in this chapter till now. So, the first point to remember is things that we use are called resources. Second point to remember is water, air, soil, plants and animals are natural resources. Third point is all living things need water to live. So, we must save it. Fourth point is all living things need air for breathing. So, we should keep it clean. Fifth point is soil is important for crops. So, we should protect it. Sixth point to remember is plants are very useful. So, we should plant more trees. And the last point to remember is we get many useful things from animals. So, we should be kind to them. Scholars, all the worksheet and assignment related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.